is a Wavepad T4 portable wireless charging pad. Works with AirPods, iWatch, and phone. Put it here. Comes out. You get your charging pad here. Nice silver back, a little matte white. Matches my desk pretty well, actually. It'll look good on there. Cable. And outlet. The charging cable is very long. I'm going to connect it now. See, it's blinking to show, it started to blink to show it had power. Let's see if it wants to charge my phone with this thick OtterBox case. And it does. That's a good sign. It's charging, it charges nice and fast. It's also charging my Apple Watch. And you can also charge AirPods on there. It fits in with my white glass tabletop standing desk right here and looks really well. And just molds in and charges well. It has the 2 indicator lights. It says it's charging right here, so that's a good sign. It's also charging my watch. I hope this video helps you with your buying experience.